Hello everyone. So in this video I will let you know about the SQL injection vulnerability in advanced mode. So this is the part 3. I have already covered two part on this. So you can also visit that lecture to see, right? And in this video I will let you know how we can hack a website through the SQL vulnerability if any site have the SQL injection vulnerability, right? So let's do the practical. So guys, already you know I am using two machine here. One is Metasploit 2 and another is the Kali Linux. So we will use as a attacker Kali Linux, and as a target we will use Metasploit Linux or Metasploitable 2. So I am using Metasploitable 2 machine because this is my like as a local server here. So if you can see here, this is the IP of Metasploitable 2 machine, and in this machine there are 5 websites, and on these website I can these all are the testing purpose. So today I will test on metal day. So if you click here, so you can see here this is the login and register page. So here there are field name and password. So in this, if you enter the, like for example I have already create a user, so if I type Anku here and password 123456, right? If I log in, so you can see I am able to log in, right? So if I log out this from here, so you can see I am login here, you can see, right? So if I log out here, so how I can log in without the password? So for example name is Anku, right? And you can see the in behind query will work, select star from account where username is equal to Anku and password is equal to this. So this is the correct query. If query is correct, that it will return true. If it will return true, that means we are able to log in, right? But somehow, like, if we enter this code instead of this password, like if I remove this and paste this code here, so you can see the how the query behave. Select star from account where username is equal to Anku and password is equal to AA, which are wrong password, right? But there is a condition, or 1 is equal to 1. That means 1 is equal to 1 always will be true. So that means it, this query will return true. If query will return true, that means we are able to log in. So let's do it. If I copy this here and paste here and log in, so you can see I am able to log in here, right? But if I log out, right? If I log out, so you can see my security level is 0 currently, right? If I enhance this security level, see, now you can see the security level is 1. If I try to log in here again, admin, and also pasting that password. If I try to log in, so you can see I am not able to log in, right? So now how can I log in that time? So guys, you know, we can use here a burp suite, right? Already I have mentioned burp suite multiple times in my previous video, so you can also visit that lecture to know about the how the burp suite will work, right? So if I open the burp suite, so this is the burp suite here. If I make this some shorter, right, and this one, yeah. So if I go to the login register page here, so this is the burp suite, right? If burp suite, I will make this turn on. How it will how it work, I will let you know. Admin name Anku and password 123456. So this is the right password, right? If I click on login, uh, okay, let me try again. Log out, login, toggle hint here. If I total security, reset DB, Okay, if I refresh this page from here, right? Okay, my burp suite is on. Okay, okay. If I go to login, if I enter here ANKU and password 123456 and burp suite is intercept is on and try to log in. So dangerous character detect. Okay, don't save. I think this save into the cache. So I'm removing this cache. If I control shift delete, right? And okay, intercept is off and try to log in, right? Now if I log in Anko 12345, right? Authentication bad user password, right? If I put here Anko and password is 123456, right? If I log in, so you can see I am able to log in, right? If I log out this and intercept is on again and try now, if I try here Anku and password 123456, so you can see burp suite capture the request here, username and password, right? So I am just turn off this is only for how the burp suite is work. So now I will hack this. How can I put the SQL injection? You can see here, if I security level make this security level now 0, if I security level is 1, right? If I enter here Anku, right, and password whatever you want, for example I am typing AA, right, and here I will go to intercept is on and try to log in from here. So if I log in here, so you can see my request was captured by the burp suite. So here if you found try to found, so you can see username is Anku and password is AA. That is the wrong password. If I forward this request from here, so it will not log in because this is not correct password. So now I will inject my code. I will inject my SQL injection code, right? And you can also see here security level is 1. So the code same is that here. So we can copy that. Now we will not paste this into the password text. We will paste here, right? We will paste this code into here. So you can see I have paste the code here, because guys if I paste this code into the password field, because security is 1, and if I paste this code into the password and try to log in, so it will never log in, right? So that's why we are going through the burp suite capture this request, and we got the these are the parameters, and we inject our code here. You can see I have pasted that code. If I forward this request, make this intercept is off, so you can see I am able to log in, right? So now I am able to log in through the burp suite. So this is something advanced which you can try with your target, or you can also create the local environment where you can try this. So that is the SQL injection part 3, right? So guys, please subscribe my channel to get the latest video, or to get the latest hacking tutorial. You can find the description. So this is all in this video, and I'm also uploading another video, so please subscribe my channel. And that's all in this video. Thank you everyone.